Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joey Biagas and I'm a digital media expert, and today I'm going to show you how to control what iTunes restores to your iPhone. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop right into that here. Okay, I have iTunes open here, but what you want to do is make sure that your phone is connected, first of all. And then once that is connected, it's going to be in the top right corner over here. See, iPhone, click on that. Okay, and then you're going to be presented with a couple different options. So first option is if you want to update your iOS, but let's not focus too much on that. We want to focus on Restore iPhone. Now, if you click on this Restore, this is restoring to the factory settings to what your phone was previously before. So it's basically going to wipe it out. It's going to take out all the apps and start fresh. So the other option we have is down here, which is restore from backup. Okay, we can of course we can back it up now, but again, let's stay focused on the restore backup, because once I click on that, it's going to open up this window and it's going to ask you from when. So depending on how many times you've restored your phone, or you've backed up your phone, I should say, it will give you different options of different dates. So I've I've backed up my phone a couple different times, but you can choose to go back. It's kind of like Time Machine, very similar to Time Machine. Okay, so you can choose that and then hit restore. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to wipe out my phone or go backwards in time. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. Not much to it to controlling what you want from iTunes to restore your iPhone. So if you do have any other questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.